Dugo na kami.
So this is the boats we are going to ride for the 5 islands. It's going to be beautiful. Everybody said El Nido is a beautiful place in Philippines, in Palawan, to come and see, explore the world. So I'm really happy. This is the good place to do that. Ah, okay, no problem. Get into the boats.
Okay, welcome to El Nido. So my name is Jock. Jock and Rose. Good morning. Jock and Manoy. Noy. And Rodan. Tarzan, aka Tarzan. Our boat captain, Captain Jomar. Yes, our boat crew, same time, Chef Cook, Eric, and Dodong. Okay, so we have like 6 person on one boat. Okay. So, ma'am and sir, everyone is going on a tour A, right? Tour A.
Yeah.
Yes. Because I just make sure, because sometimes we have like have a guest just they ride on the wrong boat, so you have enough time to go back by swimming. Just kidding, okay? So tour is composed of 5 destinations or 5 stops, okay?
Correct.
So we have 7 Commando Beach, Chimiso Island, Super Lagoon, okay, snorkeling area, and then the last one will be the Big Lagoon, okay? Okay, so here in the Nido we have some tour guide and lines and policies that we need to follow. First, always wear a whole new life jacket. So especially for the non-swimmer. So may I know who's the non-swimmer? Raise your hand please, don't be shy. Non-swimmer. 1, 2. Good swimmer, ma'am sir, good swimmer. You know how to swim? Only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's very important, ma'am sir. If you're on the water, so at least you are always floating. Okay? And then, please do not touch anything under the water. Because sometimes there's a dangerous organism living under the water. Like stonefish, stingray, sea urchin. Okay? So please don't touch anything. Okay? And then, if you have any trash, we have a trash bin both sides. So you can just put it there, or else maybe just put it down the boat. And then later, after the tour, you have to, separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable and put on a proper disposal, okay? And then for the lunch, ma'am and sir, do you have an allergy for the foods? Because we have pork, chicken, vegetable salads, okay, fish, I think mussels we have as well, and then fruits. Drinking water is provided on board, but only purified water.
No San Miguel.
No San Miguel. Yes, it's not, it's allowed, but it's only like
I just joking enough.
Yes. And then we have a towel on board as well, and then we have a mask and snorkel. So this one, ma'am and sir, this is a pre-use from our agency. Pre-use but not pre-loss. Yes, if you lose this one, it's only 1,000 pesos. Okay, so mahirap na po. If in case of like a fall in the water, please tell us as soon as possible. So if you can get, okay, you can take it. So every mask has a number, like for example this one, 7B. Okay, so later on the swimming area we can give it to you, okay? And then we have a comfort room in the back side, but our comfort room is eco-friendly. Yes, can use anytime for pee. If you wanna make a poo-poo, then the boat is running. Okay? Yes, fish feeding is not allowed here in El Nido. Okay? So, and then for your personal belongings, ma'am and sir, maybe if you have $1 million in your bag, please inform us and then we'll surrender our boat captain, because our company is not liable for any damages or any lost belongings. Okay, especially for the dry bag. So there's someone, or like for example that one, okay sir, yeah, that kind of bag, there's a lot of like or similar color. So if you're bring down the beach, so it's possible that someone drop on your own bag. Okay?
So we can keep it in
Just leave it on the boat.
our boat, right?
Yes,
so
yes,
nobody
yes.
will never going to enter that.
Yes, yes, sir.
Unless
It's
our
safe here.
crew.
Our captain here staying here.
Yeah,
on our
okay.
day, okay. You can just bring a little amount of money if you want to buy something like
Yeah.
chips or drinks in island tours.
Okay.
Okay.
How long going to stay each island?
Each island we have to stay like 45 minutes.
45.
45 minutes. Except our lunch period, so we gonna be there like 1 hour. Yes. Okay, so that's all for now, Mami sir. If you have any questions, you can just tell us. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Jack.
How deep the water that area?
Yan siguro sa pinaka-bundok po.
You mean how deep? By feet? How many feet?
Like 10. Yan natin. Can I skis it first?
Yep.
Okay everyone. So we are approaching our first stop. So this is the Secret Lagoon. Okay? Secret Lagoon. For now, it's secret. Later, it's not secret anymore. Okay? So the only thing that you need to bring is camera, okay, life jacket for that cold swimmer, and then slippers. Okay? So there's a small hole or small opening on the left side, so we have to go there. First, we have to swim. Yes, swim like 15 meters, and then on that in the front of the hole, we have to walk to the shallow. Yes.
Langka ada? Hah? Langka ada? No. India. Sri Lanka? Hah? Oh, Sri Lanka.
Atong show natin. Yep. Next, lady princess. Sir, sit first. Here. Okay. See. Hey, bro, princess.
Secret Lagoon El Nido. Travel with Chamath. Secret Lagoon in Philippines, El Nido. This is a beautiful, amazing place. It's called Secret Lagoon. Can't believe. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Surrounded by rock. We have to come with one small, what do you call, small cave inside. Then we can see this amazing cave water.
All about oh, coconut, sir, buko sir. Magkano ba? Buko, ma'am.
Pan mo?
Condor?
Pitram, ha?
Wait lang. Tuwan.
Yeah, no problem. Help? No. I'm going to have a coconut with rum.
Oh, nice.
Is the money?
Ma'am, buko juice, ma'am. Sir, coconut, is wrong. Beer. Cola.
You want to try?
No, thanks.
Yeah, man.